Hello Forex trader, welcome to my channel. Hope everyone is good. This is my first English video from my channel. I know my English experience is not good, but I tried the purpose of my foreign subscriber. If something goes wrong, please forgive me. And today I'm talking about support and resistance. So subscribe to my channel, don't let. Okay, let's go. Now you can see that the market is in this place. You can see its first resistance. Now time frame 4 hours, its first resistance, then its first support. So what is support and what is resistance? For example, as the roof and floor of a house, roof is the resistance and floor support. After dropping a ball, the ball fall down on the roof and it will hit the floor and it will rise upward. I can say as the roof and floor of a house. Roof is the resistance and floor is the support. After dropping a ball, the ball fall down on the roof and it will hit the floor and it will rise upward. There is resistance for the roof and support for the floor. That is called support and resistance. Now, how can identify first resistance or support? For this, you should see the market history. Its first resistance, then its second support, then its third support. And resistance, its first resistance, second resistance, third resistance, its first resistance and its second resistance and its third resistance. First support, second support and third support. If the market will push up, so you can buy from here. Like its support, you can buy from here. How you will take a new order from support or resistance? If the market comes here, then you can buy from here. You will SLTP set up 1:2. I can say you will SLTP set up 1:2. Like if you will give SL 10 pips, like you will take an order from here, you will give SL 10 pips. If you will give SL 10 pips, then you will set up TP 20 pips, like 1:2. You can practice a demo account on this strategy. Hopefully you will make a good profit from this strategy. It's totally basic strategy and easy strategy for all forex trader, and support and resistance so much important for all forex trader. So you can try this, you will make a good profit from this strategy. If I will get more response from this video, I will share some of the best strategy with all forex trader. Okay, take care, goodbye, tata, have a good day and stay with Forex BD.